Sky here, welcome back! Today I'll treat you with pan-seared lobster. The measurements are as usual in the description. This dish is quick and delicious, but it depends on the freshness of the lobster. First step, we need to peel and mince 3 cloves of garlic, then slice very thinly spring onions for garnishing. You can use also any garnish of your choice. Then, in a bowl, get the juice of half a lemon. I don't want to throw the head, so we will boil the head for all the flavorful fatty. This will give it umami flavor. We should blanch in boiling water for about 3 minutes maximum for the head not to be still raw inside. Next, we will cut the shell using sharp kitchen scissors. Cut the top shell down the center of the back to the end of the tail, leaving tail fan intact. Remove vein or shell shards if any. Run your finger between the meat. Break the shell one by one. If it's hard, you can still use the scissor. Spread the meat slightly open, being careful not to pull the tail out completely. Run your knife down the spine to split the meat into 2. Don't forget to comment below if you found this method more tasty. After this, season with salt and pepper to taste. Now we start to cook our lobster. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and quarter of a bar of butter in a pan. Over medium-high heat, swirl in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I mix olive oil and butter to less the saturated fat content, and lemon slice for the aroma and tangy sauce with a delicious taste. And sear the lobster flesh side down on the pan for 2 minutes until edges are crisp and golden. Then flip tail, cover pan, and let cook for further 3 minutes, or until shells are red and meat has just cooked through opaque. Be careful not to overcook. If shells have not completely changed color, simply use tongs to rotate the lobster in the hot pan juices until shells have changed color. Now we let rest for a minute. Before plating and during that, you can add a nice garnish to your plate. I saw this nice idea about a garnish while I was researching. I think it looks good next to my lobster. So we will need for that a spring onion with 3 leaves intact and a thick beautiful carrot. Go ahead and trim the roots of the spring onions and then slice a carrot into round circles. Match the leaves. Then cut small wedges into them to mimic flower petals. Get 3 peppercorns and push them firmly into the carrots. And then place the flower petals on the leaves. And slice or wedges of lemons as needed. In a pan, put 2 spoons of oil along with a quarter of a bar of butter. Let them melt and then add the garlic slices. Let them saute until fragrant. Plate your lobster and pamper yourself. Serve with remaining pan sauce and lemon slices. Spread it in your lobster, garnish with spring onions or parsley as your choice. Forget boiling or steaming. There's something about searing seafood in buttery grease that provides a depth flavor no other cooking method can beat. Now you can add a juicy lobster to that list. You'll love our seared lobster. You don't have to grill or barbecue, and you don't necessarily want to use oven. The easiest way to get delicious and charred lobster meat is straight in the pan. Please don't be tempted to microwave them or put them in hot water to quicken the thawing process. Slow thawing is best when it comes to seafood. If you have stumbled across my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and select all. If you have an Asian recipe you want me to cook, let me know down in the comments. Share with me what you are eating today for a shout out on my next episode. Thanks for watching!